Are you thinking of buying a home in Central Florida and have no idea as to start? Well, you're in the right place. You first, before doing anything else, need to know what you can afford. The very first step when looking to own a home is getting qualified for a loan. You need to understand the costs associated with owning a home and qualifying for a loan. Don't put the cart before the horse and go house hunting yet. We need to get you financing secure so you don't lose any money unnecessarily. Hi, I'm Lily Whittington with EXP Luxury. Your very first step when buying a home in Central Florida is meeting with a mortgage lender and getting qualified. I got amazing reference that you can meet with to make sure that you're safe and secure in regards to the financing aspect of purchasing a home. Don't make the same mistakes as so many others. They go house hunting prior to going mortgage shopping. There are things that you have to consider, like knowing how much down payment you will need, what closing costs will be associated with getting the loan, and any other expenses that you need to consider when qualifying as well as purchasing your new home. So give us a call today and we'll refer you to one of our trusted mortgage professionals so we can get you well on your way to home ownership.